how to inflate your Kelsyus Float 3 times faster with the Hyper-Flate valve. First, unfold your Kelsyus Float. Then lift up the cover on the Hyper-Flate valve. Some models may have more than one valve that must be inflated separately. Using long, deep, controlled breaths, breathe into the valve from an inch or 2 away. When the spring float is almost fully inflated, place your lips on the valve for the last breath to complete the inflation. Then just close the valve cover and you're done. To deflate, simply open the valve and insert the valve cover into the valve to release the air and flatten it out with your hands. To fold, hold the deflated float up as shown with hands close to the 10 and 2 position. Then fold it over into 3 overlapping circles. It should fold up naturally. Don't force it. It may help to use your knee. Once folded, place it in the carry bag and you're ready to go.